Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about how to inspect HTML elements in browser. So guys, basically we can easily inspect or see the properties or the attributes of any existing HTML code via browser. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can see the code of the existing web page that is being displayed with the required properties and the attributes, and we can come to know like what is exactly written behind the scenes in the HTML source code. So basically it also helps us to understand the existing web pages with their structure and the styling. So guys, over here previously we had seen how we can use the div tag and the span tags as well in order to group the content in the HTML source code. So over here you can see this color is green in this first paragraph, and then we have this background color is red in this second paragraph. So how you can inspect these elements and see the HTML source code that is being written behind the scenes. So simply we have to come over here, get the cursor on the required paragraph that you want to see the source code for, and then we have to right click over here and you can see the inspect option. So guys, basically this inspect option will be present on all the modern browsers. Currently we are using the Chrome browser over here, but when you are using the other browsers such as Firefox or Microsoft Edge or any other browser in your operating system, you will be able to see this inspect option. So we need to click on this inspect option. So after clicking on the inspect option, this particular section will open, and inside this section you have to come to this elements section. It can so happen that by default you are on the console or the sources section in this case, but you have to come to this elements section over here, and then you can see the entire HTML source code. So over here you can see the HTML tag, which is the parent tag over here, and then we have the two tags, that is the head tag which is having the title that is formatting in HTML. So you can see formatting in HTML title being displayed over here. And then guys, we also have the body in this case, so you can expand the body as well, and then you can see first of all we have the div tag inside the body, and then we have the first paragraph tag. So when you click on this, you can see that the first paragraph is being highlighted over here. So we need to expand this first paragraph, and then you can see this word, and then we have the span element in this case, that is the starting and the ending tag. So over here the HTML content is color is green, and then guys you can see something different over here. You are seeing the style attribute in this case. So basically the style attribute is having the property that is color, for which the value is being given as green, and on the right hand side as well you can see element dot style, that this particular element's style is being set as the color property is given the value as green color over here. Similarly we have another paragraph as well. So when we go on the second paragraph, you can see the second paragraph is being highlighted over here above. So when we get the cursor over here, the second paragraph is getting highlighted, and this is one of the best ways in order to inspect the element and see what code is written behind the scenes in order to display this particular paragraph or any other HTML tag in this way. Now what is making this paragraph's content, that is background color is red, with the background color as red over here. So let us check that. So when we go to this paragraph and we expand this paragraph, we can see the span tag over here, for which the style is given as background color is equal to red. So when we click on this span tag, you can see background color is being showed as red over here. You can also uncheck this option on the right, you can see. So when we click on this, you can see that the background color that was red over here is not being displayed. That's because we have unchecked that option, and in the source code you can see it is now commented out over here, and there is no background color that is being applied. Now again when you check on this option, the background color that was red is set again over here on the browser. So guys, this inspect option also helps you to play around with the code over here that is already written on a particular web page, and you can see what is the effect of unchecking and checking certain options over here. Now we can also come over here and provide some more properties. So let's say we want to make the text color as yellow over here along with the background color. So we can simply provide the color property over here, and then we can simply provide the yellow value. So as you can see, automatically the yellow color is being applied to this text in this case. That's because we have provided this property. Now we can simply uncheck and check these options over here once again. So when we uncheck this background color, the background color is gone now, and you can see the text color is yellow in this case. When we uncheck that, text color is yellow, so we can see the text color is black by default. So guys, this is the way you can play around with the CSS properties as well by using the inspect option of the browser. And guys, if you see the source code that was written in the VS Code over here, this is the same source code that you can see when you choose the inspect option on the browser. So in this way, you can inspect any of the web pages on the internet that is present in order to learn something out of it and make changes in order to play around and check how the text looks like on those web pages. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is style attribute in HTML. So stay tuned.